Mimi ni modem, ninapenda high chat. Niko na side kuliko ila ya Mwakamba. Nikishika msena mcheki 1 2 3 awezani. Kama luku yako ni ndigi unafaa ukuwe na chuma kuliko ya ule mne. Ukiwezana unakam 1 2 3 na korapia 1 2 3.
Hello miss. How are you? Hi.
I'm good.
You look good. You look good. Can I sit? Can I have a seat?
Yes.
You have good perfume. Miss.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm a Russian man. I'm a Russian man.
Wow.
I'm a Russian. My name is Mumelod the comedian.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, but in Russian they call me Alberto.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
You live around?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. This area looks amazing.
Yes.
Since I've seen you, the area looks amazing.
Yeah.
Can we have a chat? You can, you can just go to my room and have a good chat.
Hit.
I'm a good hitter.
Hey.
I'm a hit maker. I have money.
And you're from Russia?
I'm from Russia. Can we have the Russian thing?
Yes.
God have mercy.
Nice.
Oh.
Nice to know you.
Oh.
Oh, you love it.